bugs, and welcome to my channel. We're gonna do another Boxycharm. Oh my gosh, I got my Boxycharm extremely late, and I'm getting it extremely late like every month. So hopefully this month coming Boxycharm, let me get it early because I feel like you guys already have probably seen a million of these for June. But I got it late, and I always go over my reviews of how I feel about last month's and if I used it and if I think it's really worth the prices. So let's just jump right into last month. And I'll put this timestamp here if you want to just shoot on over to June's. So we got these, and let me tell you, I love these. They're a trio, and I use the liner all the time. And also the liner that came with it, which was pretty vulgar. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. I'm wearing it now, and I use it all the time. It's now become my favorite. This Han was a pretty nude on it, like I suspected, so it was cool, and I absolutely love this cover FX. My only complaint would be my sculpture. Now I'm wearing the highlighter in it, which I think is really pretty. I think it may be a little light for my complexion, but I really do think that is really pretty. But mine's, I feel like this is the same. I feel like I'm supposed to have like another contour. The name of this is Founder. So you guys let me know if you had two contour colors or if someone ended up with something like this. I kind of think this is a oopsies on their part. So that sucks for me. But I did really like the highlight. Okay, now let's get into June's Boxycharm. So I literally just got this. This date is the 27th. So you guys are probably not going to see this till maybe the 30th. I'm going to try to at least get it in June. I just think that's crazy, but hopefully next month I won't have this problem. So the first thing that I see is another trio. And these are Luxie. And okay, if you don't know me by now, you know my favorite color is pink. So obviously I'm going to love just the fact that it's a beautiful color. But I've had Luxie brushes before. I mean, they used to put them in like all of their subscription boxes. But I don't think I ever had like any of their large brushes, if I'm not mistaken, because I don't see any large ones in my brush holder. But what I do like is they do have numbers on it. And this is a dual fiber powder brush. And this is a 516. And that looks really nice. And this one is a precision foundation. Ooh, that's going to be fun. 660. And this one is a tapered highlighter. I love tapered highlighters. I'm going to put on this one. And the fact that they're pink. Oh, I love pink. So I'm definitely going to try those out. And I definitely am going to let you guys know next month how it is. Now, I will say this about Boxycharm. This is like the third box that I've gotten so far. And I'm getting a lot of different brands, but they are all starting to be the same nude. And that is starting to be like, I know nude is something that works for everybody. I understand it, but so is red. Red works for everybody. But see, I don't know if everyone gets the exact same things in their Boxycharms. But I'm pretty sure this nude is going to be just as nice as the other nudes because they all seem to be the same tone. This one's a little bit more browny, but it's not that far off. So this is the Genera body cream. And it smells really good, so I can't wait to see how that is. And this is Baddington lashes. Oh, okay, now these look thin, I will say. They look a little thin, but that's probably because they're going to be like very natural looking. And lashes are my weak spot for those who don't know. So I'm still like really practicing on that, and I feel like practice makes perfect. I'm getting better. But this is beautiful. I like this cute little box, this little fancy box that it comes in. I do like that. So I will try that one day this month. And this is eyeliner pencil in the color dark brown, 903 dark brown, and this is by Jonetti Blue. So hopefully it's going to be a pretty nice color. And of course, now, I mean, I've heard they're going to try to do palettes in each every one of their boxes, which I love because I love palettes. And this one is Alamar Cosmetics. And this has beautiful colors in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to do a look with this, so you guys can see like how this came out. So I didn't do that with my last box when I got the Color Pop, but I'm going to do it for this one and put a look together so we can see together how this came out. So let's talk price. Okay, so the lashes is $28. Okay, so that's already the box, right? The eyeshadow palette is also $28. The body cream is $10. The brush trio is $42. And the eyeliner is $5. And the Ofra long-lasting lipstick is $21. So far, I really do love everything that I've gotten. I can't wait to try everything out. Don't get me wrong, I love Ofra Cosmetics. I love it. Anything Ofra, I love so far. I was just saying that it would be nice to get a different color lip than new. Be a little bit more exciting, you know. And if people gotta step out their box and there's a purple lip in there, or there's a green lip or a blue, hey, it's all in fun. Let's try it out. But yes, I'm excited about this. I'm excited about trying it, and I can't wait to tell you guys next month, which is coming like right around the corner, how this has done. So I'm gonna try to really start using this stuff super like now, and so I can be able to tell you by the time the next video comes up how amazing I thought it was, or how I thought it was not amazing. But anyway, if you love these Boxycharm videos in the way that I do them, please thumbs up this video. If you have not yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on. That way you will be notified every time I have any video up. And also, I want to thank you, love bugs, so much for taking the time out of your day to spend it with me. And I will see you guys very soon. I love you all. Bye, love bugs.